and today our alumni are increasingly interested by how their college inspires, fosters and supports entrepreneurship.
So we're delighted that Constantin is going to talk to us today, and the title is From Magdalen College to the Magdalen Centre, Challenges and Opportunities of Academic Entrepreneurship.
It actually came as a big surprise to me in my third year of undergraduate engineering to discover that the same science of fluid mechanics that actually determines how air flows around an aircraft wing, in fact also decides whether red blood cells get damaged when they flow through tubes. So I will tell you a little bit about these companies, but then what I will do is use my personal examples to these companies to hopefully try and convey some generic messages about the things that one has to think about in trying to take research and turn it into technology. And so this idea of going from something that is essentially completely idle and non-functional to something that without any user intervention within 60 seconds can be returned to a living state and kept there for at least 24 hours clinically and up to a week preclinically is a reason why I'm a popular lecturer on Halloween. And as I'll try to show, entrepreneurship is, in my view, one of the most fruitful mechanisms to mediate such change.